We're doing a decibel reading of the Inferno 500. We're about 6 feet away at 1660 RPM. We're doing about 75. Of course, with me talking, it's going to increase, but I'm just going to stay quiet. You'll be able to see. 73 now. We're going to go ahead and increase the RPM to 3000. Do a test by the machine, and then we'll go about 25 feet away and do another test. Closer. Get the tachometer. We're about 10 feet away from the machine. Reading 80 or 79. We're going to go about 25 feet. We're about 20 feet away at 74. That was the sound test for new Inferno 500.